Most men overthink texting women. They stare at the screen, trying to come up with the perfect line, and in the end, they sound like everyone else. But what if I told you that attraction can happen in just 3 seconds? Not with pickup lines, not with begging for attention, but with the right energy and confidence behind your words. Because women don't fall for messages, they fall for the emotion those messages make them feel. Today, I'll show you how to attract a woman in just 3 seconds through chat. And make her think about you long after she puts her phone down. When it comes to chatting with women, most men make one huge mistake. They try too hard. They send long messages, over-explain themselves, and end up sounding needy. But attraction doesn't work that way. In the world of texting, less is always more. You have just a few seconds to spark her curiosity, to make her feel something different from every other guy in her inbox. Let's break it down. Here are the truths you need to know if you want to attract her fast and make her stay hooked. 1. Don't be too serious. Keep it light and playful. The biggest mistake men make in chat is acting too serious too soon. You start asking deep questions, overanalyzing her replies, or trying to impress her. Stop. You don't need to sound perfect. You need to sound relaxed. When a man texts with calm energy, it makes a woman feel safe and drawn in. Confidence isn't shown by big words. It's shown by how chill you are. If she says, "I'm tired today," don't reply with, "Oh, what happened?" Instead say, "Don't fall asleep before I get to make you smile." Simple, flirty, playful. It tells her you're not desperate. You're confident. 2. Use humor. It's the shortcut to attraction. Women fall for how you make them feel, and nothing opens the door faster than laughter. When you make her laugh, you instantly stand out from every other guy trying too hard. Let your humor flow naturally. If she says, "I'm hungry," you could say, "Careful. If you eat too much, I might not be able to carry you later." It's teasing, light, fun, but with a spark of attraction. Humor builds connection. It shows you're comfortable in your own skin, and that's the sexiest thing you can project through text. 3. Create flirty tension. Every woman loves tension, not arguments, but emotional chemistry. When you flirt, you're not chasing her. You're building a playful push and pull. If she says something funny, reply with, "Careful, keep talking like that and I might start liking you too much." This kind of message creates tension. She starts wondering, is he serious or just teasing me? And when she's thinking about your message, you've already won half the game. 4. Compliment. Her the right way. Most men fail at compliments because they focus on appearance. "You're beautiful." "You look amazing." She's heard those 1,000 times. Instead, compliment what makes her different. Say, "You have the kind of smile that looks dangerous." It makes people forget what they were about to say. That line makes her feel seen, not objectified. And when a woman feels seen, she remembers you. 5. Build emotional chemistry, not just sexual tension. Flirting is great, but if you don't balance it with emotional connection, she'll lose interest fast. Ask subtle, curious questions that make her open up. What makes you feel alive lately? What's something that always puts a smile on your face? Questions like these make her pause. They create depth, and depth builds desire. Because women don't fall in love with words, they fall for the emotions those words create. 6. Match your chat energy with real-life confidence. Here's where most men fail. They sound confident online, but nervous in person. If your online energy doesn't match your real presence, the attraction dies instantly. Be the same guy offline that you are online. calm, playful, confident. Don't use lines you can't carry in person. Instead, use texting to set the tone for what she'll experience when she finally meets you. Because when your energy matches, she'll trust you. And trust leads to attraction. At the end of the day, you don't need perfect words to attract a woman. You need emotional awareness. You need timing. You need confidence that doesn't beg for approval. In 3 seconds, a woman can tell what kind of man you are by the tone behind your text. So next time you chat, don't try to win her. Let her feel your calm confidence through every message. Make her laugh. Flirt just enough to make her curious. And remind her that you're not like the others. Because while they chase, you attract.